Okay, this is just kind of like a casual little talk vloggy thing. I think there are some birds in the background. It's pretty nice. So I'm just sitting on my deck. I just ate lunch. Yeah. So what I do for a living is I pretty much sometimes I make these videos, and mostly I like to go out in nature. And right now you're going to experience nature in this video. It's a beautiful place around here. That's not quite experiencing nature in person, but you know, you really gotta protect the earth and use it wisely. Or no, not use it, or honestly, just when you're out playing outside, you have to make good decisions and stop the cutting down of forests by just recycling and doing everyday things that can help the earth. So, you know, if just one person, maybe me, can be like, if I'm not gonna be on the news, but if someone were to be on like the NBC 12 o'clock, 11 o'clock news and said how much it means to just do a little a day, and we can make the earth a better place. And we all know, we all care about the earth. And we do. We really do. Especially me and you. And like, look at that tree right there. It's a big, big oak tree. It is thriving in the shade and sunlight of my backyard. That's what the earth needs to be. The oceans, no more pollution. 1 second. Don't interrupt this. The oceans, no more pollution. The trees, green and flourishing, and making the world a better place. And if you can just think about that, we can do it. And it's not just about us enjoying the beaches with no pollution, the Gulf of Mexico. It's slowly getting cleaned up. So, that's a hopeful sign. But if things like this keep on happening, our world will be destroyed. No more trees means the carbon dioxide that comes out of your mouth as the breath, the trees trade in for air that comes to us. If there are no more trees, there's no more breathing. And if there's no more breathing, there's no more society. And if the oceans get destroyed, which they're getting destroyed minute by minute, the rainforests, just try to do your best every day. Just do a little, and we can all make a big difference in the world. And it's not just about us. It's about nature. And nature wants us to deal with this. And we want to have the great outdoors, but not just to ourselves, to all the animals that live in there. Habitats are being destroyed all across the rainforests, the oceans, even maybe in your backyard. If you get like a tree cutting services, there might be a squirrel's nest. That may sound a little bit weird, and it's probably not frequent that a habitat is destroyed in your backyard, but anything could happen like that. So we need to be aware that we, the humans on the planet, God is not happy with what we're doing with the planet. He's happy when we try to clean it up and make it a better place. Not when we try to invent new things and technology and all that stuff. Sure, you can have a little bit, because God wants us to be happy, but He also wants us to do our part and save His world. But nothing, I repeat, nothing of this was scripted. It came from the heart. I love God, I love nature, and I know you do too.